Good morning, hello, hello, hello. Happy Sunday, how is everyone today? I'm Lisa, I am the singing Scentsy lady. I am one half of Elegant Essences, which I run with my gorgeous daughter, Sapphire. So if you're watching on the page live, give me a hello, or watching on replay, hashtag replay for me. I will be sharing this to our group, and of course, I'll be sharing it to YouTube. So do give me a like and a follow on YouTube as well if you see this. So I wanted to hop on today before the football starts. Those of you who are in the UK will know that there is a massive football match today. Very, very, very exciting. Go Lionesses. Now, I don't follow football, I have to be honest, but even I'm a little bit excited about the football today, and we'll be watching and cheering the Lionesses on. So the reason for my live today is I wanted to share with you the absolutely amazing, beautiful kit that we have available if you start your very own Scentsy business this month. Okay, so this is a special for August, all right? And this is our main join kit. There are other ways of joining Scentsy by having a party and hosting it and joining on our host kit, but this is the main big join kit, which is super, super awesome. Now, it costs £85 plus your postage, but you get this month nearly £400 worth of stuff, and it's all amazing stuff. It smells amazing and it looks amazing. It is amazing. So let me share it with you. You will start off by getting a classic curve warmer. Look at that. I've turned it on so you can see. I'll turn it off quickly as well. Hang on. There we go. So that's it. Sorry, it's jingling about a little bit as I pick it up. A classic curve warmer, absolutely beautiful, huge dish. Now I'm going to be careful because I have absolutely filled it with wax and I don't want to slop it everywhere. We don't want a accident. So yes, you get that classic curve warmer. Now the classic curve is normally £42. It's actually on 10% off this month, but it's normally £42. So you are getting an amazing deal already having this as part of your kit. You'll get 2 bars of wax. Now I haven't got the exact 2, but just to show you, you'll get 2 bars of wax. You'll get a bar of the absolutely amazing black raspberry vanilla, and you will also get a bar of Luna. So they will start you on your Scentsy business journey as well. So 2 bars of wax. You will get one of our mini fans, which is absolutely awesome. So I use mine in the car. You get instant fragrance, and with that you'll get a pack of pods. I mean, how amazing is this kit so far? Now you will also get some counter clean. You will get a car bar. So much stuff. Now, new for this year, or this month in fact, you also get the art of fragrance. Now, we were showcased this at our Scentsy family reunion, which is our Scentsy conference. They showcased this, and this is a way of sniffing through all the top, middle and base notes of different fragrances. It is so interesting, and it really helps you learn all about fragrance. And for the first time and going forwards, this is going to be included in the business kit. So you get to learn all about fragrance as well. So you get the art of fragrance kit. If I can open it up, you get some little tester pots in there. Yeah, and they talk to you all about how to smell the top notes and the middle notes and the base notes of all the fragrances. Oh, I didn't show you. You will get a travel twist. Look at that. Won't be in Luna. I think it's in Vanilla Bean Buttercream this time, which is amazing. I love Vanilla Bean Buttercream. I'm a huge fan of all the bakery fragrances, so that absolutely floats my boat. You will get catalogues. I've got them over here. You will get a pack of catalogues for the current season, which is those, and you will get a pack of catalogues for the coming season, which is these. How amazing is that? You'll get order forms. You will get some scented stickers to share with people. You will get 2 lots of testers. It is so awesome. You will get the current testers, and you will also get testers for next season as well. But as well as all of that, remember, this is £85. So as well as all of that, as an added bonus, and this is just for this month, okay, only if you join this month, you will get our Harvest Collection waxes. So you can see most of these are empty because I've been sampling them. But you'll get all these bars of wax, which is our Harvest Collection. So it's 5 bars of wax, okay? And they are beautiful fall, autumn fragrances. So you've got Cashmere Leaves, Forever Fall, Fall Into Love, White Pumpkin and Driftwood, and Dutch Apple Bread. I really love that one. That's my favourite. And this is the bit that I'm so excited about. They are, for the first time, giving you for free, just throwing it in that kit, an extra warmer. And it is the warmer of the month for next month. Okay, so you're getting a sneak preview of next month's warmer of the month right now, because I just happen to have it on my desk. I am so excited. So this is called Wicked Cute. Oh my goodness. Isn't she just adorable? How beautiful is that? Let me turn around. So she's a little element warmer. Okay, so she doesn't light up. There she is. You put the wax in the top, just there in the dish, and then her little hat goes on, and there's kind of like a vent in the back of the hat so the fragrance can be released. But I absolutely love her. I so love all the autumn collection, and I adore Halloween. So this totally floats my boat. Now, she will be 10% off next month. So next month she'll be £71. But ordinarily, she is £79. So if you think just about the 2 warmers, so the classic curve, which I showed you first off, which is this one. So you've got this warmer, and you've got this warmer, along with all the rest of that stuff, all for £85 plus your postage. Mind-blowing. And of course, on top of all that, you get full support from myself. You get full support from our amazing team, as well as head office. You get a website, you get a workstation, you get training, and we are there to help you build your business. So if you would like to find out more about being part of Team Essences and getting this absolutely flipping phenomenal kit, it really is phenomenal. I'm so in love with this kit. I'm so in love with this little warmer. She totally floats my boat. But if you would love to find out more and join us on our amazing Scentsy journey, you could even earn going to Orlando, to Disneyland, or Hawaii. There's 2 options. I'm just excited about Orlando, so I keep forgetting about Hawaii. But you could earn going to Orlando or Hawaii absolutely free as part of running your business. So message me, ask me how to do it. I will pop a link in the comments, all right? But for now, we're going to say goodbye. Go and enjoy the football. I know I am. So there we go. Let me pop that down so I can turn this off. But take care, enjoy the rest of your Sunday, and pop me a message if you'd like to find out more. Loads of love. Bye.